We have all been there. It's getting close to your exams and you need to study. But you have one issue. You don't know how to study. You don't know where to start. But in today's video, I'm going to help you guys, give you a few tips and tricks on how to study for your exams. Let's jump into it. So the first step on how to study for exams is to make a study plan. So a study plan is key to studying for your exams. The best tip, go through all your days of the week, put one subject for each day. So you could have Monday for English, Tuesday for maths, Wednesday for art, and so on and so forward. That will get you into a consistent routine of studying that one subject for that one day of the week. Now step 2, no distraction. So pretty much what it means by no distractions, although you might know, do not have your phone with you when you're doing your studying. So pretty much you do not want to have your phone next to you when you are studying, because you could get a notification from a friend, a text message, or you can get a notification from YouTube and you could end up getting distracted, and next thing you know, you've been distracted for 20 minutes. So if you have something like your phone, which I'm recording on right now, or a tablet, what do? Throw it away. Leave it out of your sight so that there's no possible way that you can reach it, because then you're going to have to stop studying and grab it. Step 3 on how to study for your exams. A good tip is to actually use websites such as StudyClicks, examinations.ie, and even use your exam papers. So if you were to have an exam paper such as geography, all you have to do is go to a certain year that you want, go to a long question, a short question, and just answer some questions. And this is a common way to figure out what questions might come up in your next few exams. So use your exam papers if you have any, or go onto StudyClicks where you can discuss with people certain topics of certain subjects, or even go over notes and videos that other people have made. Now the final step, in my opinion, which is the most important, is to set yourself goals while studying. So what I mean by this is, if you're studying English, for example, set a goal to study Othello. Go over the themes, go over the characters, go over the scenes. And if you're going to think about going over poetry, think about Elizabeth Bishop, Brendan Kennelly, W.B. Yeats, or Emily Dickinson. Go over each of their poems. Set yourself a target for what you want to do. Even with geography, go over short questions, go over your essays. When it comes to Spanish, go over your orals, go over your listening, go over your reading comprehensions, etc. Anyway guys, I'm going to wrap it up for this episode on studying tips and tricks for your mocks and leaving cert. I will leave the list up again for you guys if you want to take another look. If you went on to enjoy the video, make sure to subscribe and like the video, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.